I am Renzo and I am going to teach you how to prepare the very simple cheeseburger. And these are the ingredients you would need. You would need the burger buns, the patties, or just patty, the mayonnaise, of course the cheese, tomatoes, oil, onion, and ketchup. First step is cutting the onion. To cut an onion, you must poke a hole on the roots, the root part, then cut it. The next step is to cut it in half. Then remove the outer covering. Then cut the onion like this. Now we will cook the onions. The first step is to add oil to the pan. Now you must keep on stirring until it's caramelized. Once it's caramelized, get a bowl and set it aside. Now it's time to put the patties. Now we are going to assemble the burger. First, we have to get the mayonnaise and spread it on the bottom bun. Then we are going to take the patty and place it on top of the mayonnaise. Then you grab one tomato and put it on the top of the patty. Then get the cheese. You put the cheese on top of the tomato. Then you would want to get your ketchup and put it on the top of the cheese. Then grab some onions and put it on the top. And there you have your delicious cheeseburger. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.